How to find out which graphics card you have in your Windows 11 computer system. So hey guys, if you're also wondering about the model and the type of graphic card that your system carries, then it is fairly very easy to check about the same in Windows 11. So let me show you how you can find out your graphics card in Windows 11. All you need to do is simply follow these steps carefully when you are trying to do the same. So there are basically two methods using which we can find the information about our graphic card. So this includes both of the graphics card if they exist. I'm talking about the internal or the integrated graphics card, as well as the dedicated or the external graphics card that you have in your computer. So the first method is that we use the device manager to find out about these graphics card. So to access the device manager, simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and when the search bar appears, simply type for device manager. So under the best match, you might find this option that says device manager. So simply double click on the device manager and you can see this particular page opens up. So in this page, you can see a variety of information related to the devices and the hardware and software summary. Now from here, you need to click onto this option that is the display adapters. So you can see the display adapters right here. So you need to click onto the arrow pointing towards the display adapters and it will retrieve you two names. In my case, the first one is the AMD Radeon TM graphics. So this is basically my internal or the integrated graphics card. And in the another one, this says NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 laptop GPU. So this is basically my dedicated or the external graphics card in my computer. So moving on to the next method. In this method, we will be using the task manager to get the same info. So to access the task manager, you can either press the Control Shift and Escape key combinations, or else you can follow the same method as earlier and move your cursor towards the bottom and simply search for task manager, and under the best match you might find the task manager. So simply double click onto the task manager and it will open this particular window. Now from here you need to click onto this performance tab, and under the performance tab you can see these two GPU, where the GPU 0 is the internal or the integrated GPU, that is the AMD Radeon, and you can also see its usage right here. And the GPU 1 is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, that is my external GPU, and you can also find some other information related to the same in this particular section. So that's how easily you can find the names of the GPUs in your computer system in Windows 11. So that's it for this video. If this video was any helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.